Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've just woken up, and today I thought I would exfoliate my face, but I wanted to show you guys before I do it. So I want to show you guys how my face looks like. So this is how my face looks like when I've just woken up, and my lips are the worst. Then I have these breakouts, and my face is so scary. But yeah, that's how I look like when I've just woken up. So I'm first going to go make breakfast for the kids, clean up the house a little bit, then I take a shower, then I'll come back and show you guys how I do it. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back. So as I said earlier, I was going to exfoliate my face. So right now I'm just out of the shower. I put some soap on my face. I did not wash it, I just put soap. So right now I'm going to use my toothbrush just to scrub, make it wet a little bit. Then I go like this. Avoiding the eyes, you go to the eyes last because you don't want soap going into your eyes before you even do anything. So you have to be really gentle because the toothbrush sometimes tends to be really painful. But mine is soft and I guess I'm used to it, so I don't feel anything. So guys, don't mind this. The knife cut me in the kitchen. The soap is drying up. If you want, you can, if you feel like you still need to scrub but the soap is drying up, just dip your toothbrush in water, then you continue scrubbing. Again, you don't have to do this using a toothbrush because for some people it may tend to be really painful. But if you don't own those gadgets that people use for exfoliating, like I don't know how they call it, if you don't own one, this toothbrush is your best friend. So you come to the eyebrows. Don't forget the eyebrows. Like I said, we had left the eyes for last. So now as you're finishing up, you come to the eyes just slowly. Make sure you don't put soap in your eyes. The under eyes, you have to be really careful. Oops.
What's this? Where's mommy?
So I feel like that's it for me. So I'm going to go wash the soap up, then I'll come back and show you how it looks like. I'm just done washing the soap up. So you can see now.
Coming again. My sister is coming again.
It may look rough, but when you touch it, it really feels smooth. So after that, I just go ahead and apply my moisturizer. This is the moisturizer that I use. I like this moisturizer because it's so soft. So I massage it in. So I go ahead with my moisturizer, then I massage it in. So with my moisturizer, I make sure I massage it into the skin till I feel like it has dried up. So I think you can see. How my skin looks like. That's how I exfoliate my skin. Though I told you guys earlier I was going to buy one of those gadgets that people use. I don't know its name, but all I know it's like 5-in-1 type of thing. Anyway, I'll buy it and I show you guys how it works. Then I'll compare it with what I've been using right now and I see if there's any difference. So that's it for today. If you like the video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to tell me what you use in the comment sections below. If you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go click on the subscription button down below and don't forget to click on the bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video. So till next time, bye.